right. So it is a continuity to the last video, and the same problem we are finding the x of k for the given sequence x of n, so by using the discrete in time for the fast Fourier algorithm, right? So for this one, what we are doing, finding the number of stages. First of all, this is the number of stages. Number of stages means log n base 2. This n point DFT, n is a 8 value, so that we will get the 3 value. So by using this triddle factor, k is varies from the 0 to this 3 value, 0, 1, 2, 3, so that you will get the total 4 triddle factors, right? So after this one, we are going to be give the structure of the butterfly first of all, then we will move on the computations. So consider this one, x of 2, x of 0, 2, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. This is the structure of the, so this is a sequence to take. So by using the bit reversal concept, x of 0, 4, 2, e6, 1, 5, 3, 7. So what is these values we have? First of all, take these values, and x of 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So x of 4, 4, x of 2, it is 3, x of 6, 2, x of 1, it is 2, next x of 5, it is 3. See, if you observe clearly, 2, 2, next 3, 3, next 4, 1, it is reciprocal of this one. So this is the samples we are supposed to take. Then once we clear with this one, we are going by step. We have the three stages. So just make a, first of all, proper butterfly structure, then you will do the calculations, right? Simply we are drawing some lines from over here to end. So in this fashion you are supposed to draw the lines. So this is the input actually, this is time domain sequence. You will get the output as x of capital X, it's a frequency domain, capital X of 0, capital X of 1, capital X of 2, capital X of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. This is the result you will get it. It is a frequency domain. This is a frequency domain. Now this is the, this complete, it is a time domain. So in this between these two stages, I mean input and output, what we are doing, so we have the three stages, right? So first stage we will do it, and the second stage, and that is butterflies, and first stage also butterfly, second stage and third stage we will do step by step. Now see how we are taking. So to do it for the first stage, for 2 samples only, this is a, let us see, I am considering 2 only, right? So this is the, this is the first stage. In first stage we are considering only 2 samples, here also 2 samples, here also 2 samples, here also 2 samples. Just first consider the 2 samples and half it, and first half to the next half. Now see, this is first stage, and for the second stage consider the 4 samples at a time, and in 4 samples divide it 2. So the first half and second half. So this first half to, this is the first half, that means this one and this one first half, and this one and this one is the second half. So first half first one to second half first one, right? And next same, first half second half first one to first half first one. So this is the one butterfly. Now similarly here, so this is the one butterfly. Similarly we will do this one, and this one. So total we have this is stage 1, simply stage 1, stage 2. In stage 3 we will consider the complete set, that means this 8 lines at a time, and these 4 are the first halves and these 4 are the second half. So the first one to first one, second one to second one, third one to third one, sorry this one, fourth one to fourth one, right? Now here it is first one to first one, it is this one is the first one to first one, second one to second one, third one to this third one, fourth one to this fourth one. See, first one, here it is stops. This is first one, this one, and this one, and this one. These are the butterflies we supposed to draw it first of all, right? Next here, first case, it is twiddle factors. Omega 8 power 0, omega 8 power 0, omega 8 power 0, omega 8 power 0. This is the first stage. Here, this is the second one, right? So in this case, we are taking here omega 8 power 0, omega 8 power 2 for this line, omega 8 power, this line, omega 8 power 0, omega 8 power 2. Similarly, you will get the here first butterfly omega 8 power 0, second butterfly omega 8 power 1, omega 8 power 2, omega 8 power 3. So these are the butterflies we did it, right? Now what is the computation we supposed to take it here? So this is the butterfly 1, this is the butterfly 2, 3, 4. For these all butterflies we supposed to compute it by using the normal, we discussed it as a general structure. So in general structure, see, for the DIT, let us take it as a and this is a B. In these two cases, now we are taking, this is a general butterfly structure -1, it is 1 Wn power k. The result is A plus Wn power k into B. Similarly, A minus Wn power k into B. So this is a general structure, butterfly structure for the DIT-FFT. So by using this thing, we will do the operations one by one, right? So see, if it is this structure, I am considering only one butterfly. So A and B and W8 power 0, we already calculated, it is 1. So A and B. So in general, this is a formula. So by using this formula and this formula, we are doing here A means 1 plus this B, first of all we supposed to take the W8 power 0. W8 power 0 value it is 1, we already taken it as 1, and B value it is 4. So total it is 5, right? 1 into 4 it is 4, 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. So make this value it as a 5, right? The next case, so next case this is A minus B, this value A minus B into Wn power k into B. So if you using this one, A value it is 1, A value 1 minus Wn power k. Wn power k means W8 power 0, it is value it is 1 into, B value it is 4, right? 4 minus Wn power 0 means W8 power 0, value it is 1 into B value. No. A value it is 1 minus 1 into 4. 4 value it is a B value. So the total it is -3. So you are supposed to get the -3 value over here. So ultimately, since this first case, for the first case W8 power 0 it is 1. So simply A minus B here, A plus B, second one it is A minus B. 2 plus 3 it is 5 and 3 minus 2 it is 1. 2 plus 3, 5 2 minus 3 it is minus 1. Next 4 plus 1 5, 4 minus 1 it is a 3 value. So this is the general procedure for the first stage. First stage is completed. So comes to the second stage. In second stage we are doing W8 power 0 is first one and W8 power 2 it is a secondary case. So I am doing for the W8 0 first W8 power 0 case. So if it is first butterfly for this in stage 2, see what is the values of A and B. This is a A value and this is a B value. So A and B both are same, 5 into 5, and whereas this W8 value it is 1. So 5 plus 5 it is 10. 5 minus 5 it is, for this line you will get it for this butterfly, A means 5 plus A plus W8 power 0 value 1 into 5. 5 plus 5 it is 10. Now comes to here 5 minus 5 it is a 0. Similarly for this case W8 power 0, I am saying about this W8 power 0 only first of all. So this W8 power 0, 5 plus 5 it is 10. Then 5 minus 5 for this line it is 0. So remaining for this case W8 power 2. What is W8 power 2? W8 power 2 it is a minus j. See, solve this one first of all. In this case I am solving for this one. So minus 3 plus minus for this butterfly A and this is a B. Minus 3 plus W8 power 2 value it is minus j into what is the B value 1. So I can write it as a minus 3 minus j. This is the first value. So for this one minus 3 minus j, right? What about the second one? Same, similarly minus 3 minus j into what is the value for this butterfly? B value it is 1. So I can write it as a minus 3 plus j, minus 3 plus j for this second butterfly. Now comes to this one, W8 power 2. So what is this W8 power 2? Simply minus j. So similarly we are solving this case also here. First this butterfly minus 1 A value for this butterfly minus 1 plus into minus j W8 power 0. This 3 value, I mean B value 3, you can write it as a minus 1 minus 3j, right? For this case minus 1 minus 3j. So if you do it for this case, next minus 1 minus half minus j into 3, you can write it as a minus 1 plus 3j, minus 1 plus 3j. This is a stage 2. It is stage 2 completed. So simply you do remember one thing, once you get the complex numbers minus 3 minus j, definitely you will get its complex number in this step only, I mean in this stage only. Minus 3 minus j, its complexity is minus 3 minus plus, so minus plus j. So here minus 1 minus 3j, its complex is minus 1 plus 3j. Wherever the j is there you will get its complement, right? So this is the stage 3 is completed. Now comes to the stage 2 completed. Now comes to stage 3. What is the stage 3? In stage 3, see this one, in this case I am taking it as a W8 power 0 case first of all. Since it is a W8 power 0, it is 1. So you can directly A plus B into A minus B for this butterfly only, first butterfly. So A value it is 10 for this one, and this line it is 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Next here, in this case, A minus B. A minus B means 10 minus 10. It is, what is the value? 0. So first butterfly is completed. Next, simply, and we are doing W8 power 2 first case, because we have the j only. So with this j we will conclude 2 values at a time. So for this case, look at here, this is W8 power 2. 2 means it is a value we got here, it is 0, right? So W8 power 2, that means we are multiplying with the j value. J it is a 2 value. So simply consider this is a 2, 0. Here it is 0, here it is 0. So both are 0 means you will get the definitely multiplied by some anything, you will get for this one it is 0, and for this line it is 0. You will left off to it 1, 2, 3 and 4 cases only. Now see the first case. In this case we will do So minus 3 minus j. In this line, we will see for this second butterfly. So a value minus 3 minus j plus minus 3 minus j plus what is this w8 power 1. W8 power 1, it is a this value 0.707 minus j 0.707. This is w8 power 1 it is. So right, w8 power 1 into next b value, it is what is the b value for the second one? So it's complex. No, something is missing. Right. No. For the second, here it is minus 1 minus 3j. So if you solve this complete thing, you will get around minus 5.28, sorry, minus 5.828 minus j 2.414. This is the first value you will get it. So right, and you're supposed to write over here minus 5.828 minus j 2.414 minus j 2.414. Right, so this is the one value. So what about the this value? So it is completed, secondary case it is finished. Now we will do this one. If you got this one, you will get the remaining values. So for this one, simply we will do, here it is minus, right? Simply if you do the minus over here, so you will get the secondary case value, it is minus 0.712 plus 0.j0414. 0.j0414. Now I am writing here this value over for this butterfly. We are doing this butterfly only, right? Minus 0.712 plus j 0.414. Right? Once if you are familiar with this complex numbers, you always remember one thing, we are familiar with the complex number. So simply what you will do, leave this first value and consider this is a middle value. We are leaving first value and we are considering the middle value of the remaining things, and with respect to that middle value, remaining values are reciprocal to each other by considering this j value. So you will get the complex conjugates. So pair should be there. So with respect to this one, this value must be its complex conjugate, right? So what is its complex conjugate? Minus 5.828, here it is minus is there, plus 2.414. Now see, with respect to, first of all, if I consider this is a middle point, remaining, here it is, if it is middle point, so 1 2 3 third line, see the third line from here, 1 2 3, third line it is minus 5.828 something so and so, and here its complex conjugate value you will get here, and the second one 0, here it is 0. Now you got this value 0.07 something, so you will get this complex conjugate over here. So that is 0.712 plus, sorry, not plus, here it is plus is there, so it should be minus j 0.414. So this is the final result. You can see simply you supposed to write what is the function actually, x of k, which is the x of k. He asked the question, it is find the x of k, right? Here it is x of k. So x of k we can write it as simply x of k is equals to x of 0. You should write in a sequence of this manner only. So first value it is x of 0, 20. Next minus 5.828 minus j 2.414 comma and 0 comma minus 0.712 minus j 0.414 comma, next it is 0 comma minus 0.712 plus j 0.414, this is the next value comma, next it is 0, next it is minus 5.828 plus j 2.414. So this is the final sequence. This is the final sequence. If you return this complete line by end, so the problem is over.